What you just saw was physical and emotional abuse. There is also sexual abuse and neglect. I am Julian Huff, and as a child, I was abused. It started when I was 10 years old and only got worse as time went on. With your help, we can stop child abuse once and for all. This is the Real Illinois Abuse Hotline.
Every 10 seconds, there is a report of child abuse.
5 children die every day from child abuse.
90% of the children know the abuser in some kind of way.
68% are abused by family members.
Okay. Kids who are abused will often feel worthless and inadequate.
Alcohol and substance abuse often contributes to child abuse.